I'm gonna outfit reveal. Nagkaset ka, friends. I wish you have a good day. What are you doing now? Do 100. I'm gonna squeeze it to you. Just do 100. Ha? Ano ka dyan? Pag-send ka, friends. Pwede mo kapag-friend. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Oh, guys, if you want to bill, kindly PM me on Telegram. And then after you reply and my login is the private. Galino, nice to meet you, Galino. Come on, friends. Do 100. May kiss ka sa akin pag ginawa mo 100, friends. For today's video. Sorry me, where are you from? TG lang, tele lang meron ako eh. Kindly drop 1 kayo. Kindly send Gcash first or drop. And then after you drop, I end my live, then I'm gonna make you happy. Come on, friends. 200 na. Or I'm gonna armpit reveal. I'm gonna pop for today's video. Then the drop 1K for private, and then after the I end my live. Then just the private. Ang daming viewers. Send Gcash first. How are you? Kindly PM me on TV. And then after that, I end my live on Instagram. Hi, Well. Can I be your friend, Well? Friends! Ilang taon ka na, friends? I wish you have a good day, friends. Nanginginig pa. Isang bagsak naman ng ano dyan, ng supercar upgrade para sa ano, armpit reveal. Waiting. Eh, para sa akin, 30 years old ka. Nagbawas, -1. Hi, Chris. Where are you from? Can I be your friend? Ayeyo, nice to meet you. PM ako sa'yo. Come on, do 100 na. Para panalo ko na sa heart ko. Super manalo, hello. Can I be your friend? ID number, hello. What are you doing now? I wish you have a good day. PM na guys on TV because and then after you drop the list to private. Need pa for today's video. Tele nga eh. Just drop someone kay na. How are you in the world? Are you? Tele na lang. Help niyo ako sa kota ko guys oh. 15K pa. Kung talaga may gusto sa akin 15K dyan eh no. Tutulala ako sa how are you in the world? Are you? Ano parents? Okay, call me. Kindly PM me. And then after you reply and my line, I must do private. I wish you have a good day. Trondol, nice to meet you, Trondol. Can I be your friend? Truban, nice to meet you, Truban. How are you and how old are you? You want make happy? Bakit mo ka? So kindly PM mo on Telegram. And then after you drop I end my live. Then let's do private. Hi dolls, where are you from, dolls? Yeah, drop 5K.